How to collaborate Reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can collaborate Reels on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to collaborate with Reels on Instagram, it's very simple to do so. Open up the Instagram application. Go about uploading your Reel as you normally would do over here. Once you select your Reel, let's say, you can just tap the next option here. So I'll select Reel, I'll select that particular one, then I'll just hit the next option. Now if I want to invite collaborator, just tap on tag people. Then here you can see invite collaborators. All I have to do is tap on invite collaborators, then simply search for the person that I would like to invite as a collaborator here. Once I do that, I can simply select them. They need to accept the collaboration and it will also show up on both of your feeds. This way you should be able to invite collaborators on Reels. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.